Hey guys, how's it going, and welcome to another video. And today we are taking this beast over to Topaz Detailing for a maintenance wash, and also picking up my Lamborghini Huracan Performante Spyder. That's right, I actually gave the car over about 4 or 5 days ago to have the matte PPF film applied to it. So I am super excited to be collecting it today and checking out and seeing what it looks like in its finished form. Super excited to see the car. We are going to be traveling over in the Lamborghini Urus. I haven't actually driven this car in a while, so to do some motorway miles in it and get a good 100 miles out of it today will be fantastic. I'll be picking this up, or they will probably be dropping this off after the weekend, or maybe on Monday or Tuesday, we'll see. However, yeah, right now I am dressed from head, not exactly to toe, but from head to torso in red to match the interior. Imagine, right, an all red, metallic red G-Wagon.
Yeah,
and that, mate, if you haven't got that at your wedding's not a wedding.
Yeah. It's a divorce?
Yeah, 100%. Want a red Ferrari in front and a red G-Wagon behind, and guess what? The SVJ, Rosso beer red, metallic red.
Yeah,
boom.
Is the Euro seat done alright? Play with the seat then?
Yeah, mint.
Mint. And it's going in tomorrow for next week for brake pads and everything.
They've got a lot of...
Let me go, I gotta go.
Okay guys, now I'm just approaching Topaz right now. They've applied my matte PPF. Oh, new G-Wagon. That's come out of the detailing bay, I think. But yeah, my Performante is ready, and we are here. Okay guys, we've just arrived at Topaz Detailing. My Urus, I've parked it up behind. This is being dropped off. Cheeky California over there. This is being dropped off for a little bit of maintenance work. And then I'm going to be picking up my Performante Spyder, which I've left with these boys to do the PPF over the car in a matte film, in a satin film. So now the finish of the car has gone from gloss white to matte white. Really excited to see how it's going to look. But before we go on to having a look at my Performante, I wanted to show you this Ferrari. Now, I was on the computer 2-3 weeks ago playing around with the configurator, thinking like, I really want this Ferrari. What color would I get it in? So I was playing around with a few colors, and I kept on stumbling upon this color and this spec. And then today I've arrived at Topaz, only for the owner to go and turn around and tell me that this is his very own car. So we're very, very lucky to see it a little bit more. We'll open the car and whatever. But without further ado, let me show you this Ferrari 812 super fast. Absolute Batman spec. Brand new, black on black with the yellow calipers. This was my spec. This was the perfect spec. It blends in, but it's still a dark stallion. Look at that. He did mention that he was going to be changing the badges over to the black. Let me show you on the inside. This is where it goes absolutely perfect. Is those seats. Oh, and it smells so new. Oh, look at the steering wheel. You have everything on the steering wheel now. The indicators you can click from the back. You change the track, put the volume, your Marantino, everything. So much carbon in this. It smells so lush right now, guys. I wish you could. Oh wow, amazing. Just the right amounts of yellow with the carbon everywhere. Dream car, this. Phenomenal. Look at that. These lights at the back, laser like. Look at that. Wow. Oh, this is automotive jewelry art. The Italians really know how to design a car. There's something about that Ferrari badge. There's something about a Ferrari, huh? Okay, before I actually go and check out my car, another car I wanted to show you that was here was this new Porsche Cayenne. Now, some of you may think, why is he showing us this car? It's a Porsche Cayenne, you know. It's a cool car, but you know, you see many of them at the dealership and whatnot, but there's something very special about this one. If you can look very carefully, I don't know if the camera can show this, right? Let me see. Can you see this is a metallic green? Yeah, that's right. And the dealership aren't actually the ones that delivered the car in this color. This car is actually black underneath this. Can I get that torch again, please? Let's have a look. Now, all I am saying is the boys over at Topaz are cooking up something. And it's looking very, 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 very tasty. This was a black car, ladies and gentlemen. A black car. But it's now metallic green and it has no orange peel. I'm putting my fingernails into it. It still feels like paint and I'm still here scratching my head. Are these guys magicians out here? I need to know more about that. Okay, we're gonna leave the Urus here now for some maintenance work. Bye-bye, Urus. I'm gonna walk over. Topaz are getting, they're having some expansion done at the moment. So we're actually going to the next door unit here. Was this the original unit, Nabil? The first one?
First one.
Yeah, this is the first one. Always have such amazing colours here. I guess a lot of people want to protect their cars, especially when they're finished in such glossy, glossy colours. We're about to see my car now. Straight into it. Thank you. Dun, dun, dun. Whoa. Yep, just casually opening the door to a Senna. Dun, 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 dun. Wow. Look at this. Oh, wow. Ladies and gentlemen, my new matte white Lamborghini Huracan Performante. Look at that. You can see all the gloss mirror. Look how much more it pops a lot more. It stands out so much more. You've got the gloss black wheel. I'm still in two minds whether I want to put the Italian flag on it. You've got the gloss black, is a lot more on show there. And then the forged carbon, which stands out against all those white matte body panels. Wow, look at that. Oh, matte. I told you guys you would be able to see the line and the creases a lot more. Let's just see here very quickly, look. This line here, this one here, this here, you could see those two, but not so much this one. And then, as Nabil's just highlighted here, I missed this one. There's another one there. You couldn't even see that when the car was gloss. Bearing in mind, the option to have this on your car from Lamborghini is around £15,000. So, boy. Guys, as you can tell, it gets dark very, very early out here, so it's very difficult to show you the color, but let's see if you can try seeing it. Damn right you can. Look at that. It is very, very, very clear. That it is mad white. Okay guys, there's my Urus behind. That's going to go over some maintenance work now. We're going to head over to central London, probably go for some food, and yeah, I'll catch you very, very soon for some more videos. Take it easy guys, God bless. Bye bye.